Hey food lovers, get ready to dive into a world of flavors in Cairo, Egypt. This city is a melting pot of cultures, and nowhere is this more evident than in its street food. From the bustling markets to the quiet alleyways, every corner of Cairo offers a unique culinary experience. The vibrant colors, the tantalizing aromas, and the symphony of sounds create an atmosphere that is both chaotic and enchanting. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious traveler, Cairo's street food scene promises an adventure for your senses. Cairo is a city that bursts with life, and its street food scene is no exception. Imagine walking through a maze of stalls, each one offering a different taste of Egypt. From the sizzling grills to the bubbling pots, the energy is palpable. Street vendors passionately prepare their dishes, each one a masterpiece in its own right. The variety is staggering. From savory kebabs to sweet pastries, there's something for everyone. And the best part? You can enjoy these culinary delights without breaking the bank. Get ready for a wild ride for your taste buds, with aromas that will make your tummy rumble. The spices used in Egyptian cuisine are legendary, and you'll find them in abundance here. Cumin, coriander, and turmeric are just a few of the ingredients that give the food its distinctive flavor. And let's not forget the fresh herbs mint, parsley, and dill add a burst of freshness to every bite. As you navigate through the market, you'll be tempted by the sight of golden brown falafel, juicy kofta, and flaky baklava. Each dish tells a story of tradition and innovation. From ancient recipes passed down through generations to modern twists on classics, Cairo's street food scene is a testament to the city's rich culinary heritage. You'll find dishes that have been perfected over centuries, each one a reflection of the diverse influences that have shaped Egyptian cuisine. The use of local ingredients, combined with time-honored techniques, results in flavors that are both familiar and exotic. And while tradition is revered, there's also room for creativity. Young chefs are experimenting with new flavors and techniques, adding a contemporary touch to traditional dishes. Cairo's street food tells a story. It's a story of resilience, of a people who have faced countless challenges, but have always found solace in good food. It's a story of community, where food is not just sustenance but a way to bring people together. As you interact with the vendors, you'll hear tales of family recipes, of ingredients sourced from local farms, and of the pride that goes into every dish. These stories add depth to the experience, making every bite more meaningful. It's a story of culture, tradition, and the simple joy of good food. The street food scene in Cairo is a microcosm of the city itself, vibrant, diverse, and full of life. It's a place where you can experience the essence of Egypt, one bite at a time. The flavors, the aromas, and the stories all come together to create an unforgettable experience. So, whether you're sampling a spicy shawarma or indulging in a sweet kunafa, you're not just eating. You're becoming a part of Cairo's rich culinary tapestry. So, loosen your belts, grab your appetite, and let's dig in. There's so much to explore, so many flavors to savor. Whether you're a fan of savory dishes or have a sweet tooth, Cairo's street food has something to offer. And the best part? You don't have to go far to find it. Just step out onto the streets, and you'll be greeted by a world of culinary delights. So, get ready to embark on a gastronomic adventure that will leave you craving for more. We're about to uncover the secrets of Cairo's street food scene together. Let's go! From the bustling markets to the hidden gems, we'll explore the best that Cairo has to offer. So put on your walking shoes, bring your appetite, and join us as we dive into the heart of this street food paradise. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, there's always something new to discover in Cairo's vibrant street food scene. Let's embark on this delicious journey together. First up, we're diving into a true Egyptian icon, koshari. Imagine this, fluffy rice, macaroni, and lentils all mingling together in a bowl. Then we top it with a tangy tomato sauce and crunchy fried onions. But wait, there's more. A sprinkle of cumin and a splash of garlic-infused vinegar add a punch of flavor. Koshari is a symphony of textures and tastes, and it's super affordable. Trust me, one bite, and you'll understand why koshari is considered Egypt's national dish. Next on our food adventure is the Egyptian power breakfast, ful madams and taamea. Ful madams is a hearty fava bean stew, simmered to perfection and drizzled with olive oil and lemon juice. Taamea, also known as falafel, are crispy fried patties made from chickpeas and herbs. They're like flavor bombs, just waiting to explode in your mouth. Dip your taamea into the creamy ful madams, and you've got yourself a breakfast fit for a pharaoh. No Egyptian street food tour is complete without mentioning the mighty shawarma. This is where marinated meat, chicken or lamb, gets all cozy on a vertical rotisserie. As it roasts, the meat gets all crispy and flavorful. Then we shave it off and tuck it into a fluffy pita bread with veggies and tahini sauce. Shawarma is the ultimate on-the-go meal, perfect for exploring the bustling streets of Cairo. Section 5. The soul of Cairo, vibrant street food markets. Now let's talk about where to find these tasty treasures. Cairo is a city that thrives on its street food culture. The streets are alive with the sizzling sounds of grills, the clinking of utensils, and the mouth-watering aromas of freshly cooked dishes. From dawn till dusk, and even late into the night, the city's food vendors are hard at work, serving up delicious bites to locals and tourists alike. Cairo is a city with street food in its DNA. The tradition of street food here dates back centuries, and it remains an integral part of daily life. Whether you're in the mood for a quick snack or a hearty meal, the streets of Cairo have something to offer. The variety is astounding, from savory kebabs and falafel to sweet treats like baklava and kunafa. You'll find food stalls and vendors on almost every corner. Each vendor has their own specialty, and many have been perfecting their recipes for generations. The competition is fierce, but that only means better food for everyone. The vibrant colors, the hustle and bustle, and the friendly banter between vendors and customers create an atmosphere that's both exciting and welcoming. But for a truly immersive experience, head to Khan el-Khalili, Cairo's oldest and most famous market. This historic bazaar is a feast for the senses. As you wander through its narrow alleys, you'll encounter a dazzling array of food stalls, each offering something unique. The market is not just a place to eat, it's a place to experience the rich culture and history of Cairo. Get lost in the labyrinthine alleys and let your nose guide you to the most tempting aromas. The scent of freshly baked bread, the smoky aroma of grilled meats, and the sweet fragrance of pastries will lead you on a culinary adventure. Don't be afraid to try something new. The vendors are always eager to share their culinary creations and tell you the stories behind them. Another must-visit is Wekalet El Gouri, a historic courtyard transformed into a foodie haven. This hidden gem offers a more relaxed atmosphere compared to the bustling streets of Khan el-Khalili. Here, you can take your time to savor each bite, enjoy the beautiful surroundings, and even catch a traditional music or dance performance. It's the perfect spot to soak up the local atmosphere and sample a variety of dishes. From savory to sweet, the food here is a reflection of Cairo's diverse culinary heritage. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious traveler, the street food markets of Cairo offer an unforgettable experience that will leave you craving for more. So grab a plate, dig in, and enjoy the flavors of this vibrant city. Section 6. A taste of history, unveiling the past. One bite at a time. What's so cool about Egyptian street food is that it's not just about the taste, it's about history. These dishes have been enjoyed for centuries, with recipes passed down through generations. Take koshari, for example. It's believed to have originated during ancient times, evolving over the centuries into the dish we know and love today. Each bite is like a journey through time, connecting you to the rich culinary heritage of Egypt.
Know you've been a good friend.
Section 7. Tips for a tasty adventure navigating Cairo's street food scene. Now, before you grab your forks and dive in, here are a few tips for navigating Cairo's street food scene like a pro. Cairo is a city that never sleeps, and its street food scene is a testament to its vibrant culture and rich culinary heritage. From the moment you step into one of its bustling markets, you'll be greeted by a symphony of sizzling sounds, tantalizing aromas, and a kaleidoscope of colors. It's an experience that engages all your senses and leaves you craving for more. First, don't be afraid to try new things. Egyptian street food offers a variety of dishes that might be unfamiliar to you, but that's part of the adventure. Whether it's the savory koshari, a mix of rice, lentils, and pasta topped with spicy tomato sauce, or the sweet and flaky kunafa, there's something for everyone. Step out of your comfort zone and let your taste buds explore the diverse flavors of Egypt. Egyptian cuisine is all about bold flavors and fresh ingredients. The vendors take pride in their craft, often using recipes that have been passed down through generations. You'll find an abundance of fresh vegetables, aromatic spices, and succulent meats. Don't miss out on trying the street food staple, falafel, made from ground chickpeas or fava beans and deep-fried to perfection. It's a delicious and affordable snack that you can find at almost every corner. Most street food vendors prefer cash, so come prepared. While some might accept cards, it's always a good idea to have some local currency on hand. This not only makes transactions smoother, but also helps you avoid any potential hassles. Plus, carrying cash allows you to easily tip the vendors, showing your appreciation for their hard work and delicious food. And lastly, don't be shy. The street food vendors in Cairo are known for their friendliness and hospitality. They love sharing stories about their food and culture, so don't hesitate to strike up a conversation. Ask them about their favorite dishes, the ingredients they use, or even the history behind their recipes. Engaging with the vendors not only enhances your experience, but also gives you a deeper appreciation for the food you're enjoying. Engage with the vendors, ask questions, and embrace the lively atmosphere. The street food scene in Cairo is more than just about eating. It's about connecting with the people and the culture. The lively atmosphere, the friendly banter, and the shared love for food create a sense of community that is truly special. So take your time, savor each bite, and immerse yourself in the vibrant street food culture of Cairo. It's all part of the experience. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, navigating Cairo's street food scene is an adventure that you won't forget. So, grab your forks, bring your appetite, and get ready to embark on a culinary journey through the heart of Egypt. Bon appetit! Section 8. Embrace the chaos, finding authenticity in every bite. Cairo's street food scene is not for the faint of heart. It's loud, it's crowded, and it's full of surprises. But that's what makes it so special. Embrace the chaos, savor the aromas, and let the flavors transport you. This is where you'll find the true taste of Cairo. So open your mind, open your heart, and most importantly, open your stomach. Section 9. Ready for an adventure? Cairo awaits. Cairo's street food scene is a feast for the senses, offering a delicious blend of history, culture, and affordability. From the iconic koshari to the flavorful ful medames, there's something to tantalize every palate. So what are you waiting for? Book your ticket to Cairo, grab your appetite, and embark on an Egyptian food adventure. You won't regret it.